Wolf. Everybody.
Hi, everybody. My name's Chris Wolf, and you probably never heard of me. I've known Steve for several years, and I've actually got to open for him many times, and so I'm getting to do it again. How cool is that? And he'll be out here in a minute, so I'm just going to do a few songs to warm the crowd up because you guys look a little chilly. This song I wrote about my car. They say she likes a four-wheel drive, she likes an SUV. She's crazy about a muscle car or a classic Model T. She even likes a limousine, but none of that's for me. I just need a way to get from point A to point B. Love my car, it's a beater with a heater. Goes pretty far, but it's a real gas eater. She don't like when I drive, well, I don't wanna meet her. Love my car, it's a beater with a heater. True story, folks. Now I might have to change a tire or glue the mirror back on. The radio, it always works, but stations might be gone. Sometimes I gotta smack the dash when I turn on the lights. Sometimes I roll down the windows, drive around all night. Love my car, it's beater with a heater. It don't go fast, but I never was a speeder. She don't like when I drive, I don't wanna meet her. Love my car, it's a beater with a heater. I'm gonna take this thing around the block now, guys. On it, is she? So you can keep your custom van, you're fast and furious. You can have that big sedan that's so luxurious. I don't want no hybrid car or monster pickup truck. Hell, I tore half the back seat so we got a place to sleep. It's beater with a heater. Got 4 doors, but it's only a 2-seater. She don't like what I drive, I don't want to meet her. Love my car, it's beater with a heater. Love my car, it's a beater with a heater. Anybody got jumper cables? True story. That was a 1991 Chevy Blazer. So some of you might have seen me last year in this spot. I live in Morgan County, Indiana, which is the northernmost part of southern Indiana, or the southernmost part of central Indiana. I like to consider it southern Indiana. And you might be a songwriter from southern Indiana, and you might see a row of little pink houses, and you might write a song about that and become very rich and famous. You might also be a songwriter from southern Indiana. See that row of little pink houses? Not write a song about it, and you end up playing Curt and Mary's cabin on Cayamo. I think that wins. So I was looking for inspiration, and then inspiration found me in an article about the lunar landings. When we landed on the moon, we picked up soil and rock samples, and we put them on the lander. And it had to weigh so much to take off again. So like good Americans, we left some trash on the moon. And among the many things that we left on the surface of the moon was the soiled diapers of the astronauts that walked on the face of the earth, of the moon. And when I heard that, I immediately burst into song. And I wrote this beautiful love song for my wife. Stars sparkle and shine in the sky tonight. And if you see him with the one you love, everything's alright. Venus twinkles like a diamond in the Milky Way. Moon is full and shining bright, then she hears you say, poop on the moon, I don't mean to be rude. Poop on the moon, I know it kills the mood, but there's poop on the moon. Poop on the moon. Only 12 men set foot in the lunar dust, and after they were there a while, they did just what they must. Maximum absorbency garments is what they wore. Here on Earth, we call them diapers. You know what they're for. Poop on the moon, I know, I can't believe it. Poop on the moon, NASA said to leave it, so there's poop on the moon. But it's so beautiful, baby. Poop on the moon. Oh, hold my hand, girl. Houston, we have another problem. One small step for man. Just look out where you're stepping, man. Neil Armstrong, Alan Bean, Negan Pete Conrad. They all got poopy diapers up in Ziploc bags, stacked and tagged in little piles at the lunar station. Except Buzz Aldrin, yeah, traveler's constipation. Poop on the moon, their morning constitution. Poop on the moon for weight distribution. They left poop on the moon, but it's so beautiful, girl. Poop on the moon, oh, snuggle up closer, baby. Poop on the moon. Do you see a dark spot? Thanks, can't go wrong with poop songs. Okay, I'm just going to do a couple more and then we'll get Steve up here. This is a song I wrote several years ago about, I'm an original songwriter, and it's hard, especially in central Indiana, to find places to play original music. They want you to play Little Pink Houses and that kind of stuff. So when I find one, I'm really happy, but I would quit if it wasn't so profitable. This is called the Talking Singer-Songwriters Blues. I just want to play guitar, you know I'm never going to be a star. Sing my song, pay my dues, I got the old Talking Singer-Songwriters Blues. Now when I first set out to learn guitar, I never did figure I'd get too far. Just want to learn, play a few songs, maybe my friends might sing along. Round campfire, Saturday night, with some cold beer or wine or whatever. Well, my brother taught me my first chord. I played that thing till my fingers were sore. I played so much that I thought I'd cry. He said it was a D, but he didn't say why. Just kept playing it over and over and over and over. This here's a D. I just kept playing it over and over until it showed me a G. Well, my collection of chords grew to 3, and I thought it sounded like a symphony. And I thought maybe I could be the next king until it came time to play and not so easy, kind of difficult, a little awkward, but I'll get the hang of it eventually. I just want to play guitar, you know I'm never going to be a star. Sing my song, pay my dues, got them old talk singer-songwriters blues. Well, I set out to learn all the hits by Bob Dylan, Jimmy Buffett, John Denver, Mellencamp, Neil Young. come Supertramp, Steve Polk, Johnny Cash, Leonard, well, one day got me out of pen and a pad. I wrote down some of these thoughts I had. I moved them around so they'd all rhyme, made it work. Most of the days that I was trying to rhyme that stuff, not all the time. Can I make it rhyme? That's just fine. It's called art. Well, pretty soon I had a whole stack of songs. Some you could even sing along or clap your hands and tap your feet. But buy my records I can eat ramen noodles or SpaghettiOs or a ketchup sandwich. I just want to play guitar. You know I'm never going to be a star. Sing my songs, pay my dues. Got the Botox singer-songwriter's blues. Well, I thought I could be a local star. So I went down to the local bar and I asked the owner if I could play. And he said that'd be okay. But bring your own PA. Oh, by the way, you can't afford to pay. But it'd be great exposure. I got an uncle got arrested for exposure. Well, I loaded in microphone PA stand. That's just me, not a whole damn band. He said play way over there. He said, by the way, did you bring your own chair? He said it gets crowded. And the chairs, well, they're for paying customers. And then he charged me for my beer. But I was playing my songs, I was so proud. The owner said, it's way too loud. He said, turn it down so the game can be heard. And then some asshole yells out, free bird! Ha! Free bird. That one never gets old. There's your free bird. I just want to play guitar. You know I'm never going to be a star. Singing my songs, paying my dues. Got the Botox singer-songwriters blues. Thank you. Okay, I got one more, and then we'll get Steve up here. This is I see that in the room we have people in my demographic.
Yes.
That's the over 50 crowd. And if you're a gentleman that's under 50, let this be a warning to you. But I'm getting older, more concerned about my health. Just like they say, it's more important than your wealth. I'm in my 50s, it's time to be a man. I called the doctor for a physical exam. He checked my nose, he looked inside my ears. Asked if I smoked or if I drank a lot of beers. He checked my lungs, then he listened to my heart. It's going great, but then it all fell apart. He stuck his finger in my butt. He greased her up, boy, and I'll tell you what, I would have bet I wouldn't let some guy stick his finger in my butt. Well, I gotta tell you, it came as a surprise. It took my breath away and bugged out my eyes. It didn't hurt that much, I'm not really sore. I just assumed I might resist a little more. When he stuck that finger in my butt, he greased her up, boy, and I'll tell you what, I would have bet I wouldn't let some guy stick his finger in my butt. Today's modern medicine can cause my thoughts to linger. All this technology, and they still just use their finger. I'm not mad, and I would never shed a tear. Just a little sad, I gotta wait another year to stick this finger in my butt. He'll grease her up, boy, and I'll tell you what, I would have bet I'd never let some guy stick his finger in my butt. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Curt and Mary, for letting me do this. And thanks, Steve, for letting me do this.
So glad you're our friend. All of us. Thank you.